Hello everyone, in this video I'll try to show you how to create ocean water in 3ds Max in two different ways. Let's first create the geometry that we'll be using for the surface of our ocean. When being viewed from the distance and using a still camera as we'll be doing here, the mesh used for an open ocean view will typically be either of a plane, a box, or a cylinder. What you decide to use a large part is a personal preference, but I'll create ocean water by using both plane and cylinder in these tutorial videos. I will now create a plane to simulate the sea. Let's go here in this part, the standard part, and draw a plane. We can edit the size here in parameters. Let's change the numbers in 5000 by 5000. I think it's great like this. We are now gonna reposition things in the perspective view, so it looks like we are looking at the sea. For that, first we activate the view, then take full screen with using the shortcut Alt plus W. Here we go. Positioning here is very important. Let's first activate our safe view. For that, in your upper left hand corner, we click on the icon perspective, then choose the show face frame. This will give us a definite cut at each of the four sides of our view. Let's now orbit around and flat our plane. Once you think you have a very good position, go ahead to locate the camera. Okay, I think it's good. For locating the camera, I usually use the shortcut Ctrl plus D. In modifier part, we can edit the camera and using different types, but for the auto renders, I usually change the shutter type into 1 second, and for the duration, I change the number into 100. And it's very important to turn off the install exposure control. And change the exposure gain into manual and change the number of ISO into 100. In next step, I'm gonna edit the render setup and to test the test renders.